What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about digital marketing strategies that you should use for your startup business. If you've got a new business that's in the startup stages, your marketing strategy will be very different from someone who has an established business. You have much less time available, your audience is likely very small, you have little to no budget, and for these reasons, the marketing strategies and tactics that you use should be unique to a startup business. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 biggest digital marketing tips that you should be using for your startup business. I'm Mallory Graham from MalloryGraham.com. Before we get into the tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you can get notified when I post a brand new video. Tip number 1, focus only on where your customers are the most. It is crucial to understand who your target customers are and what they do online. Maybe they're using Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, but what do they use the most? How do they make their decisions? What platforms influence them the most? As a startup, you want to work smart, not hard. While you're starting out, you do not have time to optimize all of the platforms, nor should you once you grow. Make the most of your limited time on 1 or 2 social media sites. What platform do you think that your customers are using the most? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 2, fall in love with helping your customers through content. Content is any piece of information that is being published on the internet on behalf of your business. Share as much content as you possibly can. At minimum, create weekly original content, meaning created by you or your business. You may be asking, should we be creating social media status updates, pictures, audio, video, blog posts? The answer is all of the above. Video content is absolutely king right now. As a new business or as an established business, creating video will engage a lot more people than any other form of content. Once you've created a video, upload or link it to rev.com, take that transcription and then turn it into a blog post. Video is great because you can take images from the video and the audio from the video, transcribe that audio into blog format, and create multiple pieces of content from one video. The more pieces of content that you can share, the more likely that a prospect will know, like, and trust your business. How often are you guys creating content for your customers? Let me know in the comments below. The 3rd tip in creating a unique digital marketing strategy for your startup business is to quickly automate the buyer process. The reason I say quickly is because soon, or if you haven't already, you will become the bottleneck in your business. So you want to automate as much of your digital marketing strategy and tactics as you possibly can. Automate your digital marketing strategy using email automation through an email service provider, Facebook Messenger bots to not only send update notifications, but to also respond to inquiries. And lastly, social media automation. Invest in a virtual assistant, social curator, and schedule your social media posts in batches. If you guys have any other tips for automating your digital marketing strategy as a startup, please share them in the comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step process to create a digital marketing strategy, download my digital marketing guide in the description below. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. Let me know what you liked about it in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time.